Boo! Oh. Hey, what's going on? Everybody who's here, say... Don't cough, but say hey. I'm not sick. No, I'm not sick. Don't worry. Just coughing, but I'm not sick. I got a COVID test a couple weeks ago. Guess what? Came back negative, bitch. Oh, yeah. No, I'm fine. I'm fine. Don't worry about me, like... I gotta get it out. Right here, you just gotta, like, cough it out. Hold on. Oh, okay, that was a good one. I promise I'll stop. Okay. Anyways. I forgot what I was gonna say. I was live the other day, but we were playing Skyrim, and it was, like, the middle of the night. So I don't really, that doesn't count to me. Me first. Me first. Oh, well now, great. Fuck. Watch this, guys. Oh, shit! Oh, shit, there's 3! Doesn't matter, goodbye. Damn, dude! We're just gonna take this sword and go fuck it up, dude. Oh my god! Oh, shit! What are you doing out here? Werebear? What the fuck? Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, no, this one has a boar. Oh, fuck! He killed me! Oh, my God. We have to go kill a dragon. I couldn't even kill that little fucking thing on the boar. Oh, my God. Look who it is. Oh, shit! Hey, you like the Skyrim stream? I like the Skyrim stream, too. I like to play video games, man. But I... Excuse me. I live in Texas. Can't you tell by my Western attire? Anyways, we got a couple things to talk about here today, guys. Let's talk about music, because... Hold on. I gotta stop coughing. I can't. The coffee's not helping, guys. I don't want water. I'm not sick. I'm not sick, I swear. I don't have to cough right into the microphone, but I think it's funny. I haven't released, like, a project since 2018. I'm gonna tell you about this, because I spent the last fucking probably year now writing and scrapping, and it's been a process to get this album out. Does everybody in here know what this is already? We're working with a small group of people, and everybody's informed right now. Okay. So, here we go. Let me I'll tell you. Fuck. Oh my god. I'm going to be putting out literally just the music, art, and photos first. Like, no music videos on the 9th. It's going to be the songs. So, on that day, sit down, put those headphones on, listen through the whole thing, maybe a couple times, really get the feel for it, and then let me know what you think, okay? When I put shit out, I look forward to people's honest feedback. Like, if you love it, you can tell me you love it, but if there's things you like about it, there's certain things that you don't like about it, let me know how you feel about it, dude. I'm the person who produced it, played the instruments and shit. I did the engineering. So, when you give me feedback, it helps me improve. That is the best way that I can possibly improve, is doing the damn thing, putting the damn thing out, getting feedback, and then going and doing it again. Learning from what I have previously done. And that's how I've lived my whole life. And it's gotten us this. So, if I die, at least this is here. That's the cool part. You fucking put these on, cancel that sound. Ooh, this is kind of nice. I have some binaural audio playing through these. Ooh. You hear the sound? I love listening to this shit. You can't hear that? Let's listen in the track order. Alive comes first on the album. Yo, dude. We're having to listen through. On the 9th, we'll have a proper... I'll do a stream and we'll listen to the whole thing together. Even, you know, if you've listened to it already, that's tight. But we'll come back and we'll listen to it again. I sit in this chair so much that I have been destroying it because I wear shoes all the time. See the shoe mark? Right here? You sure got some nerve to try to tell me how. No, I won't. The bag was on my head for the photos, and it was ripped like in half. It was like there was barely any of that bag on my head, you know? Like, you see that big hole? Yeah, I could breathe. Don't worry. This one's good. Fuck, I cannot get comfortable at all. Tell Hot Topic to start selling merch then. I don't control that. If I knew how. Shit. Mom doesn't like Heart Attack. It's fucking fun. Tell your mom to loosen up. No, don't. Don't tell your mom to loosen up. Fucking triangle. You hear that shit? Let me go get the triangle. Okay. Well, I can't find the triangle banger, you know, the thing you hit it with. Okay, I'm gonna cut it right at the chorus, bro. Right before the chorus kicks in, I'm gonna stop it. Oh, that's gonna suck. Alright. Cause I know damn well there's more to life if I change. I need some... You need some what? I need some what? Damn! You hate when I say I'm feeling lonely. Hate when I ask if you're listening closely. Hate if I take it a little too slowly. Okay, that's the verse. That's one of the verses, so. Yeah. This song is called Wasted Life. Really sexy when it kicks in, dude. It's, oh. What a wasted life. What a wasted life. What a wasted life. Okay. And then here is the title track. This one is called More Love. This one got a weird fucking, like, that fucking mafia shit. And that's not even the chorus. That's just the hook. Shit. It was a thing. Yeah, it's from Crazy Train. It's the fucking... I can't remember what it's called. Damn it. Vibra Slap. It's called a Vibra Slap. Yeah, go get the Vibra Slap. Yeah. So, a lot of the songs on this EP... You'll hear this thing. So every time you hear that, just know that's me slapping that motherfucking thing into the microphone. Yeah, dude. You know, it started out as like the parents wanted like the warning label, like so they knew what they were buying, but now it's turned into like an artistic like stamp, dude. It looks cool. And I'm not gonna lie. But I say bullshit, and then I say, and heart attack, which isn't even a bad word. It's not even a market, but there's bad, and then I said ass. Badass. Yeah, but there's this. I say bullshit one time. Whoops. Wow. Let's open it up. Yep, there we go. That's what the disc is gonna look like. Beautiful, beautiful. There's the background picture. There's the other background picture. Oof, 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 oof. There's the the little sleeve. That full color shit. Oh, lots of plastic bags, you guys. Yes. So these are what is going to be delivered in like 10 days or something. Except they'll be real. They won't be 3D models. Am I signed? No, I'm not signed. Nope. No, sir. Look at this mic stand. Look what I can do. Hey, guys. I'm standing on my door. I have my feet against the door, and I'm in the air. Yeah. Yeah. You can only hear it because of the microphone. Okay, I'm done. It's time to get off, man.